Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable software keyboards for guided access on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up an app that you would like to use with guided access. So here I will open up the App Store and then triple click on the side button. Next, tap on Guided Access from the Accessibility Shortcuts menu, and this will start your Guided Access session. Next, triple click on the side button, and from the menu, tap on Guided Access again. Next, this time, put in your passcode. Then from this screen right here, tap on Options. From the pop-up menu, tap on Software Keyboard, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on, then tap on Done, then tap on Resume. If you allow the keyboard, then when you need to use the keyboard will appear here. And if we switch it off, so if we switch off the keyboard, so here I turn off the software keyboard and resume. You can see that if I go in here, it will not show the keyboard. So that is how you can enable or disable the keyboard for guided access. So here I'll go back in and switch it back on. And this time I will be able to access the keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now when you triple click, it will show up the accessibility shortcuts, and if you do not find guided access within this menu, then you can turn it on from settings. To do that, go into settings, and in settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on guided access, and make sure you turn on guided access. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.